All right. Hope this is working correctly. So I just wanted to show you guys. So here's all my raw video recordings. I use this Xsplit Broadcaster. If you go into the options, there's an option to enable GPU encoding. So this program I found gives me the best. It doesn't cause any lag in my games like other programs do, and it gives me really good video recording quality since it actually uses the GPU, not the CPU, to encode. But anyway, let me just show you here. So I've got all these old recordings that I'm going through. Now normally I use Adobe Premiere elements to edit my videos. But sometimes you have a video where you just want to get 30 seconds out of it. Maybe, so this video here, it's 1 minute and 54 seconds long. And there's really only a few second clips that I want to get from it. Now I could use Adobe Elements to do that. The issue I have with Adobe Elements is every time you edit something, it has to be re-encoded. So even if you're just cutting part of a video out and keeping another part of the video, it'll re-encode it when you're done. And you lose quality that way. And when you upload a video to YouTube, YouTube re-encodes the video again, and you lose even more quality. So that really is very annoying to me. Anyway, I found this program. I thought I'd show you guys. Oh, there I am with my broken wrist. I thought I'd show you guys because I've got all these all these random weird video editing programs that each just have like a single purpose. But anyway, this program allows you to cut up the video without re-encoding it, so you get to cut a little clip out of it that you want, and you get to save the quality too. And you'd think a big fancy program like Adobe would be able to do that, but apparently not. Or maybe I just don't know how to do it. But so I've got my frame where I want to cut. So I'm going to look for, this is the end marker I'm going to set. Okay. Now you can see the whole beginning of the video is highlighted. I'm just going to press the delete key on my keyboard, and it's gone. Now I'm going to keep going. Oh man, what a sweet ollie that was, eh? Okay, now we're going to mark the beginning, set start marker, and then we're going to keep going and see if there's anything else left in this clip that we want to save. What was I trying to do this day? I forget even. My knee hurts so much I can't even ollie anymore, but I think what was I trying to do? I guess I was just trying to ollie on this stupid thing, and that's it. I wasn't even trying to manual or anything. Oh, there I go again. Woohoo. And bear with me here. I'm just holding down the right arrow key. Oh, there's another ollie. Okay, so I guess I don't even know. Like, I guess I'm just saving these clips that actually have me in it instead of just deleting everything, even though it's not that interesting. Okay, so whatever. There's another one. Mark the beginning here. And there's a lot of editing you'll do where all you do is cut out the parts of the video that were boring. You know, that's like the first step in editing. And there's a lot of people that make YouTube videos where that's all they do. They don't add words and titles and anything else. All they do is they cut it up. So that's the end of it. So I'm just going to, let's see, this goes to last frame. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to press delete. Now, I've got a nice short 5-second file that used to be 2 minutes long and 240 megabytes. So now for the video output, so this file was a MP4. So I'm going to select audio output copy, video output copy, output format, MP4 V2. I've had trouble with the MP4 muxer, so I'm using the MP4 V2. And you just click save. I'm going to say highlights, ollie, and bam. Oh, so it warns you about corruption on the cut points, which I've never really had an issue with, but so now, let's see, 4-second file, 10 megabytes. We can get rid of this gigantic 200 megabyte 2-minute video. So now we just have the highlight, sweet ollie, broski. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Okay. So yeah, that's it. I just thought I'd show you guys that, 'cause it took me, I was doing editing for a long time in Adobe, losing quality before I found out this technique. So I just thought I'd show you guys.